So this is my frequently asked questions page. And you can see, if you're a little familiar with HTML, you can see that this is quite a mess. This is an older template that we included with the original version of the script almost, let's see, 15 years ago, and it was in a editor, so it's just got a whole bunch of extra tags here and stuff like that. But I'm going to say rewrite the HTML for my, and then you can see the title is main facts. So for my main next page, so that it is more compliant with modern web standards. Okay, so you can see that it's kept the text, so you can see it's got the same text, but you can see even without looking at the code, you can see right away that the new version looks a lot nicer. It's got a nice modern headline, and just the layout fits the width of the page, whereas with the old one, it was kind of centered and just doesn't look good. So you can see already right away that it's kept all of my text intact, so it hasn't messed up my page at all, but it just looks a lot nicer. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. But for those who are familiar with HTML, let's see, there it is. I'm just going to reload it. And you can see, just probably even if you're not that familiar with HTML, you can see that looks so much better now. It's got modern, it uses modern elements to put in the headlines. It's taken out all of that old extra font coding and stuff like that, so it's cleaned it up. It's made it compliant with modern web standards. It's made it just a lot. It's made the coding a lot better. So those are the other types of things that the AI can do. The page editor AI. If you have a bunch of old templates, if you have, let's say maybe you have some PLR that you've turned into some content and you've turned it into content pages, but it's just really old coding. It's got old tables. It's not mobile friendly. It's not working with your new theme and stuff like that. You can tell the AI, make this code more mobile friendly. Make it compliant with modern web standards. Just give it the title of your template or your content page. Say, this is what I want to edit. This is what I want you to do. I want you to, change the text or improve the HTML, whatever you want it to do, and the AI will do that for you.